Hello, here is my 1975 first year CB400F. You can see this is the September-October magazine for Grove City. So today is the 15th of September. I have a repair bill here where we've got a brand new handlebar switch. We've got rebuilt front brake master cylinder. The ignition points are clean, the valves are adjusted, carburetor's totally removed off the bike and totally rebuilt and adjusted and synchronized. Replaced the front brake caliper and the front brake master cylinder. And it's got a brand new UASA battery in it. Got a nice low idle. This bike is in nearly new condition. It's got both a kickstand and a center stand. Get the lights back in the back. Left turn signal. Right turn signal. Bike runs like new, settles back down to a nice low idle. This bike has only got 916 miles. This is a great one.